Okay, this tutorial is on how to upload and rename pictures quickly so you can save some time for those times that you guys take a lot of pictures. All right, so first and foremost, you're going to press F4 on the top of your keyboard and you're going to scroll through the screens and you're going to try to find the app that says BR here, Adobe Bridge. Go ahead and select and open that app. If you have to sign in, go ahead and sign in with your school email and password, and it should give you access to Adobe Bridge. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to insert your SD card into the computer and you're going to look for that SD card icon, which is usually under computer on the top left of the screen. You see my cursor. I'm going to try to find the SD card. Let's see, computer. It's not reading the SD card. I'm going to insert it one more time. There it goes. It just pops up. Double click the SD card. And then folders are usually under DCIM at the bottom. Do make sure that you are under workflow on the tabs at the top. You have essentials, libraries, film strip, output, and workflow. You are on workflow right now. Double click the folder that your images are in. Alright, so once you have access to the images at the bottom, you're going to use your arrow keys to toggle back and forth between the images. And anytime that you see an image that is usable or that is a good picture, you're going to press Command 5 on your keyboard, and you're going to see that the 5-star rating will automatically be added to each picture that you do that to. So for example, this picture, Command 5, look at the stars on the bottom, and it'll 5-star it. So you're going to go through your whole set and you're going to Command 5 every usable good picture. Okay, so I'm going to just do a few just so that you guys see what that looks like. Okay, this could be 10, 20, 30. The other day at homecoming parade I had 100 Command 5 pictures, 5-star pictures. Once you've identified all of your usable images with Command 5, go ahead and stay on workflow and go over to the left where it says filter tab. You're going to notice that under ratings you have no rating, 3-star rating, 4-star rating, and then 5-star rating. Go ahead and select the 5-star rating box on the left hand side, and you're going to notice that only your 5-star rating photos will now be in the ribbon at the bottom. This is what we want. So you're going to go to the first image, you're going to press and hold the Shift key, go ahead and scroll all the way over to your last image and click on it, and it should highlight all of your images. The next step is right clicking. You're going to scroll down to where it says batch rename, and this is where you're going to rename your files. Alright, so under destination folder, select move to other folder. You're going to select browse, and you should already have a yearbook folder on your desktop, so that's a good place to put it. Or if you went ahead and created a folder for that specific event or that specific organization or sport, under the yearbook 2025 folder, I would put it in that folder. So let's say I don't have one here. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to name it, let's say this was a boys soccer. I'm going to rename it and say create. So now all of my images are going to be in here. I'm going to select open. The next thing is under new file names, you're going to select text, and this is where you name it with our naming convention. First initial, last name, lowercase, underscore, then you would put what event it is. So let's say boys soccer signing. That's what this was, right? And then you're going to put an underscore and then 0, whatever the date is, 09/1/24, whatever. This one, we'll just make it for today, 09/06/24. That's a month, day, year, and that's it. And then now you're just going to rename. It's going to do its thing, moving and renaming files. Remember, this is great for when you have multiple files. You don't have to rename every single one at a time. And once it's completed, you can go to that folder. So let's go to my desktop, yearbook 2025 over here on the right hand side. I'm going to open that. I'm going to open my boys soccer folder, and you're going to see that all of your images are named and numbered accordingly. So then now you can upload these to the OneDrive or Walsworth as needed. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.